Hey guys, welcome back to M Vlogs. I started my day with the magic book session. Earlier it used to be from 6 to 7, but now it's from 8. Then it got over around 9:20 or 9:30. Then I took a small nap, like 20-25 minutes. And then from 10 o'clock I had a guest lecture in college, so I attended that. And then from 11 we had our normal classes like lecture. Then it got over by 12, like we had only one lecture today. Then at 12, so after getting ready I had my lunch brunch. So yes, for lunch I have brown rice with Nutrella ki sabji and curd. I love curd. Now you guys must be wondering मैं अपने रूम में क्यों बैठी हूँ, क्योंकि दिवाली की सफाई 1 महीना पहले से स्टार्ट हो चुकी है. पूरा हॉल फ्रिज के सामान से भरा हुआ है. I'll show you. So it's 2:30 and I have to do some research for my college project. So I'll do that and catch you guys later. 4 p.m. now, and today is 16th of October. Tomorrow, that is 17th of October, it's my best friend's birthday, Anta. You must have seen her in my previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please go watch them. The link will be here or either in the description. Please go watch those videos. And now I am baking a cake for her. If you want to learn how I make that cake in detail, comment down below and let me know. I'll definitely make one separate video for that. So for now, let's go and bake. Nice cake bake हो रहा है. It will take 20-25 minutes. So I'll go and get a paper box for packing the cake because I have to carry it to her place or whatever. Who else faces this fog on glasses? This is here. Cake is also ready. I'm home. It's almost 5, like 5 minutes to 5. At 5 we have a icebreaker session which is organized by a college, in which basically the same course students are divided into smaller groups and along with 2 or 3 seniors, wherein we introduce ourselves, we talk about anything, and then all our doubts are cleared. Like, you're going to the college for the first time, so you have few doubts, so all that is cleared there, and we play amazing games together. Is basically we get a chance to know each other well even online. So that's really a great effort taken by our college and our lovely seniors, so shout out to them. And yes, wait on cake is ready. The box is there, and after this session I'll go and decorate it completely, and I'll show you how I do that. Guys, cake is ready. So you know the drill now. If you want to learn how I made this, comment down below and let me know. So good morning guys, it's the next day. It's almost 7 now. So Anta will be here in 5 minutes. We're celebrating her birthday early in the morning. I know, weirdest birthday plans. But yes, actually she would be busy the rest part of the day and I have classes in the morning. So we decided to meet early. Earlier we were planning to meet at 6, but then she got late last night sleeping. It's her birthday guys. So yes, and now we'll go for a drive. She knows how to drive a car, so now we'll go for a drive and then we'll go to her place. Yes, nothing much. I completely forgot I was vlogging. So yes, I came back home by 9:45. Then from 10 I had my lecture, and then again at 11 I had my another lecture. Then at 12 I had an interview for a college club, and then उसके बाद से सिर्फ time pass कर रही हूँ मैं. It's almost 2:30 now, and now I'll have my lunch. I had my lunch. By the way, happy Navratri guys. So now at 4 I have my icebreaker session, and today is probably the last day, so I'm quite sad about that. But today we have a theme, like our group has a theme of traditional wear, so we all are going to wear traditional clothes. So I'm excited. Okay, so now I have to attend a project discussion meeting, and then again at 8 I have a MEN meeting. So yes, who else is bored of this Zoom meetings and increase of screen time? Guys, it's another day, and today I woke up around 1 because I was sleep deprived yesterday, and it's a Sunday, so I don't have any classes. Then I got ready and I had my lunch, and now I have to prepare few things for tomorrow, as tomorrow is something special happening. You'll get to know about it very soon, so wait for that. And now I'll go and do that. See you later. 7 p.m. and I'm done with my work. So you'll get to know about it really soon. So for updates, follow me on my Instagram. The ID is here and the link will be in the description box. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. So rest of the preparation for tomorrow's event is done. Now the only thing left is my nail paint. The multicolor nail paint has to be changed. So I'll do that now. Okay, so if you're watching this video till here, then you are the best. Remember, best. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.